I think that is not surprising at all. I think those are classic Halloween candy.
The hot tamales being at number 3.
I agree.
I don't know.
I don't.
Maybe
I don't agree with that.
I don't personally like it. Maybe it's top 10. But number 3.
I agree. I agree.
I think there's some other candies on that list that maybe got a little jobbed right there.
I agree. And you know what? Fingers crossed we have some good weather for some next week for trick-or-treating.
We're definitely going to have some fall-like weather. It's going to feel crisp out there. I just can't say for certain what the weather is actually going to look like for Halloween night, so stay tuned for that. It's just a little bit too far out in the future, but we can say with certainty for today that we're going to have some nice weather. The clouds already clearing out in Brookings. This view coming courtesy of Zola's on the Water. We're in the 50s right now to the east of the Cascades, 50s and 60s for West Side Valleys, the same thing along the coast. So in the direct sunshine, it's already starting to feel pretty nice out there. But a little bit later today, we'll only have temperatures getting into the middle 60s for the Rogue Valley. Now in the direct sunshine, it's going to feel pretty good. But we will have some winds today, gusting out of the north and northwest between 20 to 30 miles per hour, with the fastest wind gusts being in the Shasta Valley to the east of the Cascades and along the coast. So that combination of winds and high temperatures could make it feel a little brisk for today. But other than that, these temperatures are pretty average for October 23rd. We're going to be in the low to middle 60s to the east of the Cascades, just straight middle 60s for West Side Valleys, middle 60s also along the coast in Curry County. And then for tonight, we'll keep mostly clear skies really across the entirety of the region, except for up towards Grants Pass. Could have a little bit of fog there. Also in portions of the Klamath Basin where we saw some pretty thick fog this morning, we could run that back again overnight and into tomorrow morning. Overnight lows are going to be very cold tonight, folks, especially to the east of the Cascades. We'll be below freezing, so be sure you're protecting the outdoor pets, the plants, and the plumbing. 30s and 40s, though, for West Side Valleys, middle 40s along the coast in Curry County. So I think cranking on the heat for tonight might be in the equation for a lot of us. And then we're tracking a storm system as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, so we'll go ahead and put that into motion with Stormcast. We'll stop this right around 3 p.m. on Tuesday, and this is about the time that we're going to see the arrival of this storm system from the northwest, spreading inland throughout the rest of the afternoon, into the evening, and then into the overnight hours. So this isn't just going to be rainfall, this could also be a little bit of snowfall. Snow levels for tomorrow will be right around 6,500 feet, falling to around 4,500 feet by the time we get to the early morning hours of Wednesday. So we could maybe have 4 to 6 inches of snow through Tuesday night up towards Crater Lake, but in terms of the rainfall totals, and this is if you melted down all the snow, combined it with the rain, these would be those totals, and it's going to be the Cascades and coast that will reap the most benefits through Tuesday night. But we could also see a decent amount for the Rogue Valley, definitely a lot less for the Shasta Valley and to the east of the Cascades. Will be much drier for Thursday, then tracking another storm system for Friday and Saturday. Snow levels with that one looking even lower, between 2,500 to 4,500 feet, which means that temperatures are going to be way below average for late October. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Dry for today, the chance for showers late on Tuesday, and then rain looking likely for Wednesday. For Siskiyou County, we'll keep it dry for today and most of tomorrow. Then we will have a chance for showers lingering into Wednesday. For the Basin, we'll have a couple different chances of snow throughout the next 7 days, especially for that Friday and Saturday storm system, just because that one will be a little bit colder in nature. Then for the Cascades, also several chances of snow over the next 7 days. Then for the Valley, small chance for showers tomorrow afternoon, growing rain chances in a Wednesday, then another crack at it for Friday and Saturday.